I am Lynn Easton and we have several businesses. We're essentially a star-to-star customer 4 times over because we have a winery called Pippin Hill Farm and vineyards. I have Easton Events, which is a luxury wedding planning company. We do weddings all over the country with several offices. We have a hotel called Zero George down in Charleston, and we're about to bring another venue online down in Charleston. So we're very well acquainted with the star-to-star system. We had a PBX system which was so frustrating. Basically, anytime anything went down, sort of embarrassing to say, we actually had somebody come in from another city, an hour away, in order to solve problems. So anytime we needed anything changed on our voicemail or any problem with the whole big black box in the closet, we had to bring somebody in. A super expensive way to be handling our phone system. So essentially, we knew that there was a better way to be doing this, and so we reached out to Star and found a really superb solution. It really is pretty exciting how it has impacted our business. I think the most important piece is that we have several offices, so on any given day we can assign somebody to answer the phone, basically be our receptionist. And it appears that all of us are in one office. So we have people calling us, we don't know what region they want to do their wedding or their event in. So it comes into one central place and then they can turn around and send it out to the planner that's going to be working the event. So that's really huge for us. So one of the features that I really love is Star Scope, which allows me basically to sit at my desk and I've got it on one of my screens, and I just can keep my finger a little bit on the pulse of what's going on in all the offices. So I can see who's on the phone, how often they're on the phone. Sometimes I'll see that a critical customer has called in. I can see how long they're on the phone. I can start to chat with one of my girls to say, how's it going? You need any backup? And it just makes it feel seamless. It makes all of our offices feel as if we're all working together. And that not only is good for business, but it's also really nice for morale. It really just allows us to feel like we're all in this together. I think my big piece of advice is when you decide to do this, you need to have some bandwidth to do it. It is a huge upgrade. It will change the way your business operates. And it does take some time and it takes focus. And when we first started to do it, it was, I realized, wow, it's going to take all of us several days to manage this transition. The transition was so worthwhile for us. It is something I literally cannot imagine ever using any other system, or certainly going back to where we were. It has been just a huge improvement for us. So one of the things that has made our transition so successful is Rick Tamburino, who literally guided us through and helped us manage the transition, which, as I said, is not seamless. It takes learning, and you need a partner by your side to get you through this. And Rick was amazing. He was so incredibly attentive. If we would text him or email him, and almost immediately he would let us know, how quickly he'd be able to get back to us. And if it was really a stat or something really urgent for us, I always knew that he was, a true partner for us and was going to solve problems. I could not imagine managing the transition without a quality person like that, who I felt was really interested in our success and this transition being successful.